If you want to remove WhatsApp from your Facebook page, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you connected WhatsApp by mistake, no longer want it linked, or you're just cleaning up your page settings, this tutorial will show you exactly where to go and what to tap. And before we get into it, if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Facebook and social media tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your Facebook page and make sure you're logged into the correct account that has access to manage the page. This is important because if you're using a profile that does not have the right permissions, you may not see the settings you need. Once you're inside your Facebook page, look for the Settings option. Depending on the device or version of Facebook you're using, this may appear in the Page menu, the 3-line menu, or under More Tools and Controls. Tap Settings to open the page management options. Next, inside Settings, go to Account Center. Facebook has moved a lot of account and connection options into Account Center, so this is the area where linked services are usually managed. If you do not see WhatsApp directly in the page settings, Account Center is the right place to check. After that, go to Manage Accounts. This section lets you view and control the connected accounts and linked services associated with your Facebook setup. From here, look carefully for linked accounts or an option specifically labeled WhatsApp. When you find linked accounts or WhatsApp, tap on it to open the connection details. You should now see the account or service that is currently linked to your Facebook page or business profile. This is where you can review the connection before removing it. Now select Remove. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, because removing a linked WhatsApp account will disconnect it from the page. If you see a confirmation message, read it carefully and then confirm that you want to remove WhatsApp. Once confirmed, Facebook should disconnect WhatsApp from the page. After that, it's a good idea to go back and double-check the page settings to make sure the WhatsApp button or linked account is no longer showing. If it is gone, that means the removal worked successfully. If you don't see the option right away, take a moment to refresh the page or reopen Facebook, then check the Account Center again. Sometimes settings can take a few moments to update, especially if you're using the mobile app. And that's it. You've now removed WhatsApp from your Facebook page. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and now you can manage your page connections more easily. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.